Set to go now. This is Ria Fireworks. Pass to the game director's play. Danori inside Regent Talisman. Ariana Mimo. Handog comes next. Gym 3. Sawendering Camorra. Rivers of Gold. Okatokat. And trailing the group is Reggie. Fireworks. Bayawaralain Kanahampa. Handog in second alongside third director's play. Ariana Mimo in fourth position. Down in fifth comes Sawendering. Alongside moving up is Gym 3. And that's still Fireworks by Amaralain Kanahava. And in second position, Handog Sawendering director's play on the outside board. Ariana Mimo in fifth. Gym 3 comes next, running by the Regent Talisman. Camorra also moving over. Rivers of Gold, Okatokat, and Lord J still racing on this. Now we have and the ring takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Fireworks in second. Ariana Mimo. Here comes Camorra. And that's still and the ring by about 2.5 lengths. Ariana Mimo. Camorra now on the outside. But that's still and the ring by about 4 lengths. Camorra now in second. Ariana Mimo. and the ring still in front over Camorra. Ariana Mimo. And finally and doing Camorra, Ariana Mimo, Gym 3, Okatokat, then comes director's play.
It's the 8th horse, only the far second choice. So Endearing, crossing the wire first. At nasigundo lang yung lamadong 3, Camorra, 8, 3, 9, 10, 4. Maririnig natin yung pang-anim sa ating instant replay nitong race.